Now we're going to look at negative powers. If we just think of x to the power of negative 2, you just have to realize that just means 1 over x to the power of positive 2. So a negative power is just flipping upside down what you have. For example, x to the power of 6 times x to the power of negative 2, we just have to multiply. When you multiply powers, you add them. And let's look at it a slightly different way. If we had flipped that fraction, we would have had x to the power of 2 on the bottom, and then we'd be dividing, which is to subtract. So instead of 6 plus negative 2, it would be 6 minus 2, which is the same thing. Right, let's look at an example just with a number to make sense of it. 7 to the power of negative 2 is the same as 1 over 7 to the power of positive 2, which is 1 over 49. Or, if we had tried a fraction, just remember that a negative power simply means to flip what's on the bottom to what's on the top and vice versa, and then the power becomes positive. So we'll flip this fraction upside down, the power becomes positive. Then we do the power to each bit separately, and there's our answer. Right, here's our rule. X to the power of negative a is just 1 over x to the power of positive a. One more example. X to the power of positive 3, and then the negative 2 means that the y goes on the bottom. So here's a more complicated example. Now, since it's just the power of negative 1, all we have to do is flip the fraction upside down, and then the power is just a positive 1. We don't need to bother writing a power positive 1, and that's that.